Majida, enkosi ngobuyela ki-channel. Sigqiba ubukela imatch emnandi bafethu. Orlando Pirates 2, Al Ittihad 3. Goals ze-Pirates ziskorwe uTalente Mbatha plus noYanela Mbuthuma. Scorers ze-Al Ittihad uskore u-El Nezri plus no-Iki Hanakia plus, but Orlando Pirates 2, Al Ittihad 3. Supposed by Orlando Pirates 6 bafethu. Al Ittihad 3. Supposed by 6-3 lena, but siyazi isi story bafethu kudala sasibona South African team, South African football idlala ibhola emnandi, dominator South African teams, create chances, entertainer, but xa kufikwe ki-finishing phase, a wrong shot, a wrong pass, no composure. Bisiso story namhlanje bafethu, but imatch be entertaining bafethu. Orlando Pirates, wow bafethu, Orlando Pirates i-top quality match. Orlando Pirates intswempu bafethu, izobulala abantu Orlando Pirates bafethu in the new season. So much talent bafethu, like it's top talent meets top quality coaching bafethu. Abdeslam Wadu, world class coach Abdeslam Wadu machita. Orlando Pirates izawukhupha abantu emanzini machita ki-Betway Premiership and West CAF Champions League bafethu. And ngathi bafethu, I can't wait ubukela Orlando Pirates CAF Champions League bafethu, because i-Champions League nayazi ba is-slow igame yakhona bafethu, akho tempo ne-intensity. Orlando Pirates idlala nge-tempo e-fast, imuva ibhola nge-speed fast, ne-players zi-mobile, intensity high, plus Orlando Pirates iyapressa bafethu. Abdeslam Wadu le team bafethu uyibophile, uyibophe grand bafethu. Le team Al Ittihad bafethu iyayiphanisha qha Orlando Pirates bafethu. Iyabonakala ekugqibeleni i-class plus ne-difference between Saudi League mosman ngu-31 ranking yayo, and then thina singu-45 ranking yethu. So iphele ibonakala la level, i-players zakhona bezicaca eziyazi Al Ittihad ba okay amachita asuka from i-background eki-higher level. Azo players ezi-developwe e-Saudi Arabia bafethu. Amachita afike pha e-Saudi ayengemali, and iyabonakala ke ngokwquality. Otherwise Orlando Pirates bafethu be entertaining. Yazi ngibukela igame bafethu, ubone stadium, isa stadium bisingagcwelanga mos friendly yana, so ubuyive atmosphere, and begcwele i-fans obviously ezangapha ya Saudi Arabia, yase-Europe, se-Spain phana, like ukuyive crowd ba okay jonga apha, like abantu bavule imilomo, like Orlando Pirates indlela bidlala ngayo bafethu ba, like amachita beyinokha ibhola, belinqonqa bafethu, eziyabe zileqa ibhola jo zingayifumani. Pirates ilenza jo entertainer nyanyane, and indlela amachita bemuva ngayo i-disc ne quick passes, and then i-passing Orlando Pirates ibhola bamuva fast. Abdeslam Wadu amachita wafundisa ba ibhola fanele imuve fast, ibhola ibhola ibaleke. I-players abantu Pirates azibaleke kakhulu ke bafethu, zaw explain ba okay bezibaleke phi, but nazo bezikhona i-moments ba Orlando Pirates players bezibaleke kakhulu bafethu, but manqale ngebhola indlela move fast ngayo, plus namachita indlela the turns bafethu, ne combinations, the Pirates bafethu le season abantu bazogcwala if balele Orlando Pirates izawuspana ngabo bafethu. Enye into impressa kakhulu bafethu Orlando Pirates indlela Wadu le team indlela ayi-coordinate ngayo bafethu. I-Pirates ibine high line apha bafethu, and lawo iqhelwenze i-Betway Premiership ibiyenza against i-team eki-high level. Ukubone i-central defense Orlando Pirates xa iphushe phezulu, like uSiema plus no Sibisi babone ngathi base-center line Orlando Pirates bisenza lawo bafethu. And then le team Pirates bi-dominator wire, i-Pirates ibifika mos finishing phase ilose i-disc phana, but la team xa izama okay jonge izama ukwenza i-transition, Orlando Pirates biwina quickly ibhola bafethu. I-Pirates bekuthatha like 2-3 seconds iphinde iwine fast ibhola, and iwina around the center line, because ilawe i-midfield line Orlando Pirates i-Pirates xa i-attack i-Pirates nge-front line yakhona, like nge-wingers plus ne-number 10 ne-striker, ezi ziki-midfield line amachita ayamuva grand, if abene izpaces zi-grand, kwenzela kusela team Wadu like we-set up la way, kwenzela la team xa iqala team ekuseyi ngathi ithola i-disc Orlando Pirates izama ukwenza transition, Orlando Pirates iwina fast ibhola by central midfield, and then Pirates iphinde ikwazi attack again ke ngoku la pressure ayiyeki bafethu. Wadu uyacoacha bafethu. and then anyway inqaphela Orlando Pirates bafethu hey amachita ayabaleka bafethu, like not onke as a team ne, but umuntu individually Orlando Pirates kuyasprint ayaba bafethu, like usprintwa i-wingers, like if i-winger niluze ibhola yo amachita indlela sprinta ngayo from your defender back like njengoba nibubukele nje niqomo uyajonga ndiyadinwa mina ngondiniwe nje umuntu nombukela bafethu, lamachita sprinta ngespeed bafethu to your defender back, and then xa kusiwe front if unebhola umuntu uyaphinda sprint again, and then i-midfielders Orlando Pirates bafethu indlela ezisprinta ngayo nazo umuntu xa upressa funeka usprint xa ubuye back uyajonga ama Pirates iyasetyenzwa phaa bafethu, like i-sprinting sakhona like nothukile indlela amajebe sprinta ngayo, and eza sprints ke ngoku zininzi mo sprint bafethu. So if like wenza sprint ezingaphi bafethu like ezi 8 okanye 6 ngematch kanye ngehalf, i-fitness high le bafethu kuyasetyenzwa Orlando Pirates, and if awu sprint awuzudlala Orlando Pirates cacile lo way. And la wena ndandivethwa yenziwa na PSG, ikhona le coach PSG ayiplay PSG ayithetha le way ayingu Musa Dembele, kuyabuzwa ngale bayajonga PSG mfethu indlela edlala ngayo nina apha and the way dominator ngayo and intensity yele team nenza kanjani. Wathi uDembele i1 weqa if apha kule team awu sprint awubaleki awuzudlala, and ngathi Orlando Pirates shop up wathi nayo wenza lo way bafethu, la machita indlela pressa ngayo plus ne dominator ngayo ni ball eza ball njengoba ze win wa fast ke midfield bafethu because eza sprints yabo, and then ke ngoku mathethe nge players individual eza impress bafethu. Number player number 1 besides ezinye bendi anothukanga ba machita dlala grand i-play 1 inothusile ba you are what a performance. I-player bendithetha ngayo izona ithi ayikhonswembi kakhulu andimbonile namhlanje mchita, and ndiyayithanda leyo ibholeni bafethu. I-player xa ni-doubt and then say i-player iphinde izibonakalise bayawajonga intswembu. Namhlanje ndimbonile inkosi khona ndaba untswembu bafethu i-left back Orlando Pirates, but nayo mchita noba ziza players bezidinga isikhathi. Ezinye players xa zifika kwi-club, ezinye players zifika zibe grand same time, and then ezinye players zithatha isikhathi ba inyanga okanye ngesizini alandelayo yabo. Mhlawumbe mchita during i-pre-season, during i-off-season umchita ke wa-reflecta kancane or yaphinda yafika grand kwelayo but same fit Orlando Pirates udlala Orlando Pirates yabo. But ya unkosi khona ndaba ngathi kule season uzibonakalisa umchita, and vile futhi wadu isikhathi esininzi bemcoach umchita phana like ibemkhwaza man phaba okay immotivate futhi, and even I think like la first game uqabela kwakho u-start game lo mchita undaba wayestart i-first game was in the second game akayistart lekhumula emkhupha uwadu phaa mchita wambiza nene kusewubone wamgona thetha naye performile namhlanje ngosikhona ndaba bafethu, and excite lo way udlala grand at the same time nalawo ibani mhlambe kufike uNeo Rapoho kufike i-signing entsha, and uNeo Rapoho uNtswembu bafethu uvele wavuka undaba performance grand kakhulu undaba. And then uCM obviously ayibhoza yami bafethu nayazi if ulandela le channel ulebone CM i-top class defender. Ndiyayothuka leyo basekhona Orlando Pirates umchita bincifana umchita ya straight shop up yahamba ye-Europe okanye ye-USA bafethu kanye yanayo Asia. Top defender ulebone CM idlala i-grand again namhlanje. Midfield umbatha yazi ke bhoza leyo, and nenye way bafethu Orlando Pirates i-starting lineup sakhona uwadu apha liwenzileyo futhi I think naye Orlando Pirates i-players uzibasele kamnandi uwadu wenze ntoni uwadu i-starting lineup ibi i-team Orlando Pirates last season basically manitsi amajita afikileyo mos as new signings antswembu futhi aperformileyo. Bekhona izilight ezifika so i-DDC zi-grand nazo zifike za-impress, but uwadu kule starting lineup sanamhlanje ovele wazibeka esitulweni zonke bench zonke ezifikayo plus nezilight starter Orlando Pirates team yala season, and continuity ibalekile bafethu, and ibi statement esakuwadu ba bafethu nizi players zami nina bone ziyekeni ezifikayo ba okay jonga zintswembu apha nina nini i-team yami nini ilawe aba understandayo le team, and eziziboniseni, and if ezifuna udlala apha ziboniseni standard ba okay zenze kanjani, and nazo ezistatile Orlando Pirates zezibonakalisa ba okay bafethu if anizofumana nje opportunity yodlala apha sikhona apha and sithi abadominatayo apha, and zizikepa zethu ezi bafethu if nizodlala apha funeka nispani performance grand bafethu bi sipo chain ostatileyo plus Dino van Rooyen right back, left back ibinguNkosi Khonandaba, central defense uSiyema noSibisi, central midfield Sehlondulu ubuyile from injury wastarta noMbatha, and then number 10 ibinguMasangwanye, and then iwingers Moremi. Moremi uthole opportunities ezininzi bafethu. Moremi uphinde waphose like 2-3 chances, but uMoremi inswimble out bafethu. The way umjita appeal off ngayo, like aphuncuka defenders, create opportunities, i-movement yayo leya hayi leya scale inswimble leya bafethu. I-clever i-runs zayo umjita. I think ofika isikhathi bafethu uMoremi uzoscore goal ezininzi bafethu. I think uzoyenza kule season lo umjita. And then no-Apollos bekhona inswimble leya iphinde yabuya grand yo-Apollos. And then striker binguMakgopa ubuyile noMakgopa. Bana ungen-impressileyo bafethu. uTito udlala eGrand naye uTito. Unimpressile pha plus no-Apollos u-Apollos udlala eGrand naye first game yakhe since i-pre-season. Pirates idlalile bafethu. Wadu coach amajita. Second half yenza changes ezininzi again, so but Pirates still have dominate bafethu. Qha la team ithole chances ezi-3 la team gqiba score. La team ithole 4 chances gqiba score 3. So clinical, world class. Yabo. Pirates yona nobe ithole opportunities like 6 or 7, but scored 2 goals qha, and sistory sakhona siyazi bafethu. Otherwise bafethu all Pirates very very impressive bafethu. Nibone ntoni bafethu, nincanga ntoni? Masinqole comments bafethu. Ngingalibali support channel bafethu, go like no subscribe. Watch bafethu.